Hi guys, how's it going? It's Marky. Hello everybody. What's going on? I picked up this Johnny Lightning. It's a really beautiful car. And it comes with a tin. This is a little series that they have Pro Collector storage tin included with the die-cast metal body and chassis. And then the storage tin, which is all metal. Pretty cool. This one is release 2 and version B of in the second release. 1966 Chevy El Camino. Let's get him out of the package. Unbox this baby. These are so cool. We have the car and the little storage tin. Storage tin is pretty cool. Wow, look at that. It's got the nice Chevy logo in there. The Johnny Lightning logo on the outside. And I like how they painted the outside so you know what's in there in case you collect a bunch of them. And it does say Johnny Lightning on each end as well. This is so cool. Pretty cool. This will keep your car nicely protected. That's pretty neat. And let's go ahead and check out the car. That's what we want to see, right? Wow. The color is pretty nice looking. Beautiful color, beautiful wheels. You see that? The red. Really nice. Wow. So cool. And it looks like it might have an opening hood. Could that be? Not sure. Looks like it's an opening hood. Wow, that is stuck if it is. All right, let me not play with that anymore. Here's a top view. Check out all the trim. All the trim work is nicely detailed. A little hood ornament. So cool. Even the little triangle windows have the little trim on it. And around the wheels there, the fenders. So nice. So nice. A lot of nice detail. All right, let's bring it up close so we can see everything. Yeah, it looks like it's supposed to open the hood. You see how you can see the edges there. I'll stick my nail in there and see if I can get that open. Wow, that is stuck. All right. Well, it does say El Camino right there on the in the middle of the grill there, and right on the license plate. Very neat. I can't make out the other words on the bottom. It looks like it says New Mexico, and I can't tell what it says above the word El Camino, but there's something there. We do have the lights painted in. Nice bumper in a chrome color. The lights are painted. What a great front end. And then here on the side we have a little detail, the little flags, little Chevy badge there. On the gate we have Chevrolet. Wow, that's really tiny. It looks pretty good. Really nice tampo work there. And nice paint that they do paint down here. Rubber tires, and it looks like we have little defect there on this one. Yeah, the tires are a little bit wonky, right? Let's call them wonky. Don't know about the tires so far. They're not too great. They do have some tread on them. They do spin. Yeah, they're spinning. And we do have the metal base. On the bottom, you can see it has a city name here. Johnny Lightning, Tommy Industries. Wow, that's really tiny there. 2021 Tommy Industries and 2021 round 2. Made in China, all rights reserved. All right, so here's the base. Now these molds may have been reused from the old Johnny Lightning molds. And I don't know if this means 164 scale. It does say 164-024-JL. And I don't see anywhere where it looks like a scale indication under here. Some details for the exhaust down here and some other things going on, but I don't see the pipes sticking out anywhere. Let's see if we find them. Nope. Don't see any pipes. It rolls pretty good, but the wheels do have, the tires do have some kind of defects on them or something. And then back here, this feels like plastic. So it's like a plastic insert there, I think. Plastic interior. And you see the steering wheel looks pretty nice. Has a nice left side driver, just like we drive in America. And we do have the handles painted over in silver for the doors. Of course, it's only a 2-door. Chevy El Camino. And again, what year was this? 66? Yeah, 66. 66 Chevy El Camino. Pretty nice. So this one's available in 2 different colors. The other one's like a darker color. Can't remember if it's a dark copper or a dark brown color. We do have some nice details on the back end here. The lights are painted in. We do have the bumper painted in. That nice license plate. Then here on the back fender, we have El Camino with the Chevrolet logo there. And this up here, I think it's just some defects right there on the paint. Yeah. And here it says El Camino as well. We do have the gasoline access on the left side. Right there, little door. A really nice interior. You see, it does have a little console in the middle and separate seats. Very interesting color. It's kind of like a, you know, it's kind of like a red, but not a red. It's kind of like a red mixed in with some white to dull it down or something. I don't know. Almost like a color between red, orange, and pink. I don't know. Is it? I'm not sure if it's even like a watermelon color. No, I think it's a little darker than a watermelon. It's kind of hard to pinpoint this color. Let's see what the pack says, because they usually have the paint on there. Oh, it says Regal Red. But it looks so different than that paint right there. It doesn't really look like that. But it does say Regal Red on there, and it's supposed to be that number, 71472, Regal Red. Collector fact, for 1966, GM produced a total of 35,119 units of the Chevy El Camino. And Johnny Lightning has put this one out, one of 4,472. So it's a pretty small number. And there must be more than 4,000 collectors out there, Johnny Lightning collectors. So I don't know if there's enough to go around. Who knows? I don't really know how many people collect Johnny Lightning, but I'm assuming it's more than 4,000 or 5,000 people, right? In all of America, maybe all around the world. Don't know how far these cars are exported, or if they're only sold here in the USA. Very, very nice. I love the details in the front end, on the front end there. I gotta find out if this opens up. We do have the windshield wipers molded in the die-cast, and then they're painted in on silver there. It's kind of like the same color as the trim. And the trim is painted all around the windows. Again, the side window, the back, the edge of the bed, all around, over the wheel wells there. Very cool. And on the bottom, well, this part here, on the bottom here, and the bottom here, not this part. But we do have the bumper, the grille, all outlined. Very, very nice. A lot of detail. It looks really beautiful. Really nice El Camino. Very, very cool. I love the way it looks. The color combination with the red wheels looks really cool. The tires leave a little to be desired. They're not perfectly round. They look a little warped or something. I don't know. But very, very nice. Very nice. So happy to have this one. Now I have the little tin, the little collector tin to put him in. Let's see how he looks when you put him in there. Let's give it a try, see what it looks like. Yeah, he fits, and he's in there. Pretty cool. I love that Chevy logo in there. That is so nice. Chevrolet. And then you close it up. You got Johnny Lightning. And there it is. Yeah, it does look more red here on the painting. Here it looks more like a watermelon color. Like a darker watermelon color. I don't know. That's what it looks like to me. Strange color, strange color. Looks like the mix wasn't done right in the paint or something. I don't know. On the back of the card, what do we have? Storage tin. Johnny Lightning Pro Collector Storage. Tins protect your collection like nothing else. Okay, pretty cool. And then they show you some other things you can get. And some other collections here. The classic gold collection. These are, I've seen these in stores already a bunch of times. I love the little Bronco. And the Pontiacs look amazing. All of these look pretty good. I love the bands too. And I did get this one's a series of 3 cars from what I know. The '85 Ford Mustang I've seen a few times, and I took footage of them when I was peg hunting. And then the Camaro, I've seen a couple of them. I bought the black one right here. I have the black one, but I didn't buy the white one. It comes in white and in black. And then the SBO comes in dark blue and in white, the Mustang. So you can buy a white one or a dark blue one. So far I have this one, and I do have this Mustang here. I mean, this Camaro ZL1. Let's see how they look together. And it does come with a tin box as well. And here we go. I can put these back here. Very cool. There we go. Let's take a look at the ZL1 real quick. Really nice wheels on the ZL1. This is a nice Camaro. Looks like it's a convertible. You see the top. And nice 2 tall bucket seats in there. Nice scoop on the hood. This time the windshield wipers are molded in the glass. And this one doesn't have any side view mirrors, just like the El Camino. No side view mirrors. It's kind of strange. Car with no side view mirrors. Do have a really nice looking front end on this Camaro. Really looks good. Let's bring him up close a little bit closer there. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. That is a really nice front end. That looks really good. And then on the back end, what do we have? We have the ZL1 license plate, Chevy badge. We do have the ZL1 up here, a little badge for the ZL1. Couple of lights on the bottom. We do have the brake lights and the light in the middle. Very cool. That looks so nice. 2 pipes on each side for the exhaust. Really nice wheels on this one. I love them. These look great. They don't spin that great. Not like the plastic ones that really spin forever when you give them a little push there. Here's the base of the Camaro. A lot of detail here, and you see the exhaust going all the way to the back, and then splitting up into 2 pipes on each side. Those are really nicely detailed. Wow, look at that. That looks really cool. This part down here looks like it's plastic. That little one piece there feels like plastic, and this is die-cast, the darker. That little piece there looks like it's plastic, I think. And then down here, this little piece right here, it looks like it's plastic. And down here, I think, same thing. So all the edges on the bottom look to be like a little plastic. They might be connected to the interior or something, I don't know. Really hard to see inside. This looks weird. I don't know how it sits there. It doesn't really like sit, like look totally sealed. So that's a little funny. Kind of, I don't know if this is just not pushed in the right way or whatever. And see how the mirrors are kind of like floating. I mean the corner windows. We do have clear glass. The windows are rolled down on the front, passenger and the driver. You see a nice console in there. Very cool. I do love the scoop on the hood. It's awesome with the ZL1 markings. right there and the little vents. Very cool. It looks really, really nice. It does have that little antenna and a little wing back here. Little antenna back there. Very nice. Soft top. Very, very cool. The top is hard plastic, but meant to mimic a soft top Camaro. Very, very cool. Again, let's see how they look side by side. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. They look pretty cool. I'm loving these. Let's give them a little comparison real quick. So awesome. So awesome. There we go. Bam, bam. And a little 3/4 from the back. These are actually beautiful cars. You know, they're not really meant to be rolled around. They don't roll that great, but very nice to display. These are really, really nice. They do roll, but they're not the best at it. They're not going to be like super fast or anything like that. But wow, these are pretty nice. I'm liking them a lot. I think they're beautiful, beautiful castings. They have been having a lot of new castings. They seem to have issues with the tires. Not as awesome as the early ones from the 90s, I think. Johnny Lightnings that had like more quality control, it seems like. Seems like these have a little more, they're prone to defects and stuff like that. But I remember they used to be so impeccable. That's why comparing them to the old ones, because I do have older Johnny Lightnings in my collection. They look so perfect. These seem to always have a little something that you find. But still, beautiful models to collect, beautiful castings to have and display and enjoy in your collection. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'm going to see you in the next one. So I'll see you tomorrow.